Imagine earning crypto while funding real power plants. Sounds unreal, right? Yes, but it's happening now. Stick around to see how you could profit and save the planet at the same time. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Solarian Tech. A link to this will be in the description of the video. I have 4 main points that I would really like to share to you. So first off would be blockchain meets sustainability. So Solarian Tech is pioneering the fusion of blockchain technology with environmental sustainability. Okay, now built on the Ton network, this innovative platform funds real world solar power plants through decentralized finance. Number 2 on the main points that I would really like to show you guys is that it is a utility driven token, which is the SLRN. It is the native token of Solarian Tech, and it powers the ecosystem that is used for investments, staking, gaming, and earning passive income for everyone that is with the project. Now, users also engage via their Telegram mini app that also allows them to farm, stake, and play to earn tokens, making sustainability accessible and rewarding to all. Now, if you go ahead and check out their website, guys, you have a lot of information that you will be able to gather. And of course, they also have their white paper right here. You could go ahead and click on white paper up on top, and it will take you directly to this one. Okay, so it has a lot of information that would be very, very helpful in terms of you doing your own research and getting to know more on who they are, what they do, and what are the things that are worth knowing about the project. Now, the third point that I would also like to show you is the mission and the pre-sale of Solarian Tech. So their mission is clear, and that is decentralized funding for clean energy while also offering long-term passive income to their holders. Now, the SLRN token pre-sale is also live now with exclusive benefits for early participants, and you can access that right here. It will be in the description of the video. You have more information about Solarian Tech right here. So you have their overview. Okay, you also have a video here that you could watch. So here, you have the about, you have the sale, and you have the tokenomics. All right. It will give you all those information that will actually be very, very vital for you to get to know them better. And of course, you have their roadmap. So with this, guys, their roadmap for short term, you have the launch of the token sale, the exchange listings, and the Telegram bot engagement. And their long term for their roadmap also, guys, would include the development of the solar infrastructure and transparent profit sharing with the token holders of the SLR token. And of course, guys, you gotta make sure that you also check out all their social media platforms. It's on the left side. You have their Telegram, their X, their YouTube, their Instagram, CoinMarketCap. You have Facebook, and you also have their TikTok accounts. Now, you could go ahead and check them out right here. Okay, you have more information of Solarian Tech in CoinMarketCap. Link to that will also be in the description. You have their Telegram here. Okay, Solarian Tech app. You can start the bot by clicking on this one. When you click on this one, it will open up another tab for you that will then let you click on that start bot, and it will open up that Telegram app in your phone or in your computer. So you also have the X account, all right? And you have their YouTube, you have their Instagram, you also have their Facebook page here, guys, and you also have their TikTok. So you could go ahead and follow or subscribe to those channels. That way, when they have updates, announcements, airdrops, giveaways, anything, and basically everything about the project, you will always be informed and you will not miss out on any of those. They also have community-driven rewards, guys. So to engage with the Telegram bot, to earn that SLRN token through that task, staking, and games, token holders will also receive that periodic rewards from real-world solar profits, which also encourages sustainable long-term holdings. And also stand by for their live events and AMAs. The team is hosting regular AMAs and virtual launch events, which also provides direct access for community Q&As. Now, the incentives and announcements will also be available, so early users benefit from reward programs, contests, and the token bonuses. So incentive and announcements will also be announced in their social media platforms. And of course, media and transparency is very, very vital. So Solarian Tech is featured in eco crypto publications. The white paper also details the tokenomics in the solar plant spec. So you could go ahead and check this one out here in their white paper, guys. Again, this is a very good place to start when you do your own research because it has a ton of information that is very crucial, very important for you to get to know them better on who they are, what they do, and what are their plans in the future as well. So if you are new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.